In this video, I'll show you how to install Python and an IDE for Python. As I already mentioned, for the first app, we will use a Python IDE tailored for beginners, and that is Thonny. Both Python and Thonny are cross-platform. That means they work the same in all major operating systems. Let's now set up Thonny. Feel free to look only at that section of the screen where the installation for your particular operating system is being shown. Go to thonny.org, Thonny with double N, and then select your operating system to download the Thonny file. Then click on that downloaded file to open it and install it. Go through the setup process as shown on the screen. The process is very easy, straightforward, no need to change anything. Once the setup is successful, you can open Thonny. Click on Let's Go, and this window should show up. So Thonny was set up successfully. Let's create a Python program and run that Python program to get the output. To do that, either write the code in this already opened file or close that file and open a new file. So go to the new file icon, click on Save to save the file on your computer. Pick a name such as hello.py, so Python files need to have a py extension. Then in that file we can write Python code. Let's write some very simple Python code just to test Thonny. Once you're finished writing the code in the Python file, you can run your program to get the output using the Run button. And this is the output. And that's how you can write and run Python programs. So this is how Python works. You create an empty file with a .py extension, write some code in it, and execute the file to get the results. Now, I didn't install Python because Thonny did that for me on the background. And that was how to have the Thonny IDE and Python installed on your computer. I hope it worked for you. The next video is a very important one because I'll show you how Python works under the hood. So even if you are not a beginner, please watch that video because you might learn something that you didn't know. I'll talk to you in the next video.